Hey guys, if you're living in US, then you may know that TikTok is banned in United States right now. So if you try to open TikTok in USA, then it will say sorry, TikTok isn't available right now, and it will close automatically. So how you can fix that? If you want to use TikTok and you're living in United States, the hack is really simple. So what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and type VPN, or you can also type VPN on your App Store if you're using an iPhone. You will see a bunch of VPN applications. There are some free VPNs, they are a bit slow, and there's some paid VPNs that are a bit fast. So you can always try different options. If you want a recommendation, then I will recommend you Super VPN, Fast VPN, or you can also go for the paid option, just like me. Because I have downloaded NordVPN and it is paid, but it is really fast and I'm really satisfied by using it. So what you have to do once you have launched any of your VPN application, you have to find the list of all the countries which you can join. For instance, if you're living in United States, then you have to select any country. For instance, you can also select United Kingdom, Germany, France, or any other country. You have to make sure the country must not be United States. Because if you connect to a VPN which is also based inside USA, then you will not be able to use TikTok either. So you have to select any other country. For instance, I will select France. Once selected, now if I try to open TikTok, for instance, I will search TikTok on Google and try to open TikTok. Once opened, the TikTok is now running and I can use TikTok right now easily. And that's how you can use TikTok after ban. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.